Last year, I showed you how to make choux pastry and we made cream puffs. This year I have the same mixture and we're going to pipe eclairs. Eclairs are my all-time favorite French pastry. So, we're gonna pipe some choux, nice steady hands, and a flick at the end. So it is crucial to keep your eclairs nice and straight, and it is important to give them lots of room. So don't put them too close together. Don't worry too much if you've got a bit of a peak. Just wet your finger and smooth it down. And then lightly and sparingly brush them with egg wash. There are two ways that we can fill our eclairs. The first is by simply cutting them in half. What I'm using today is chocolate custard. So that is what I like to call the cut and fill method. And now we'll use the poke and fill method. We're going to use a really, really small fine tip nozzle and we're going to create 3 little holes. And we're going to poke the end of our piping bag in those little holes that we created and fill it nice and generously. If it comes out the end, don't worry about it. You can just clean it off. And a simple dust with cocoa powder to finish these off. So now that they are ready, there's only one thing to do, and that is check that they're nice and beautifully filled. And they are. So there you go, 2 different ways to fill an eclair, one delicious dessert.